Hello, this is Blake here with Standzout. We're here to walk through using our Standzfree universal tablet floor stand. The Standzfree is a unique stand that will open up a lot of options for how and where you can use your device, and will make it easier and more comfortable to use your device anywhere around the house or in the office. When we open the box, the Standzfree is not assembled, so we have a little bit of assembly to do before we can start using it. Inside the box, you should have a gooseneck, a V-base, a universal holder, including the universal adapter, which will allow you to hold small tablets and even phones, an Allen wrench, a bolt, and the owner's manual. Remove all the pieces from the box. Insert the bolt through the hole in the V-base and into the bottom of the telescoping gooseneck. Use the Allen wrench to tighten the bolt. Once that's done, you can go ahead and attach the universal holder to the ball. Take the universal holder, guide the socket onto the ball, and tighten the nut. The universal holder is a great new addition to the Standzout family. This holder will allow you to securely hold any tablet that's currently on the market in either landscape or portrait orientation. That includes the new iPad Air and iPad Mini, Microsoft Surface, Google Nexus series, Samsung Galaxy series, Kindle Fire, and a host of other tablets, e-readers, and smartphones. Another nice feature of the universal holder is that there is no need to take the tablet out of the case. It has a nice smooth action that is designed to be durable and functional for the lifetime of the product. To attach your tablet, first insert the bottom edge of the tablet into the holder, reach around the back of the holder and pull the top of the holder over the tablet. When you release it, the holder will automatically grip your tablet. To remove the tablet, just lift the top of the holder and slide the device out. For larger tablets, you may find it easiest to place the tablet into the holder in landscape mode and then turn it to the orientation you would like. For smaller tablets and phones, you may need to use the included universal adapter. If you're going to turn the holder sideways to place large tablets into portrait mode, please make sure that the tablet is in the holder properly before leaving it unattended. If the tablet is loaded improperly, it could possibly slide out of the holder. Once we've got the tablet in, we're ready to go. You can place your Standzfree virtually anywhere around the house or office. Explore different ways that you can use it in your life. If you want to use your tablet in bed, you can slide the V-base between the mattress and the box spring. If you would like to permanently attach your Standzfree, you can pop out the rubber feet on the V-base and mount the Standzfree with screws. If you find that anything is missing from your assembly, please contact us through our website at www.standzout.com. Here's what not to do with your Standzfree. Be careful not to bend the gooseneck too tightly. This will likely result in damage to the gooseneck. When using a folding type case, place the hinged part of the case into the top of the holder. We recommend that you test the fit of your tablet and case to find the best fit for you. We do not advise bending your Standzfree backwards over the V-base, as this can cause instability and make it easy to tip over. Always check the balance on your Standzfree before walking away. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Standzfree. Check out www.standzout.com for more information and for the best iPad and tablet stands on the market. Be sure to like us on Facebook and connect with us on Twitter.